Welcome to Screen Vision Media's Front and Center, keeping you up to date and entertained with the latest in Hollywood and movies. Now sit back and enjoy the show.
It's not too late to choose Primavera and jump into classes without missing a beat. Enjoy a flexible online education from the comfort and safety of home. You can still make this your count with a new path forward. Enroll now at chooseprimavera.com.
Hello, I'm an AI-generated voice. I've been prompted to tell you about Mesa, Arizona. I can tell you the science behind chemical reactions, but we'll never feel the chemistry between two people trying new things. I can deliver a Shakespearean sonnet on romance, but can't feel butterflies in my stomach after a perfect Mesa day. Maybe someday I'll understand what it feels like. Until then, only humans get to find out. Visit Mesa.com can help you plan the trip I can only imagine.
Summer is a gift. A gift of days that last a little longer. A brighter state of mind. So look out for these stickers and gift yourself a new Kia during the Kia Summer Sticker Sales Event, where every SUV and sedan comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. Get 0% APR for up to 48 months, plus $750 retail bonus cash on specially taxed 2026 Sorrento and Sportage vehicles.
Early riser or night explorer, at Desert Botanical Gardens, summer happens your way. Open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Find your desert oasis at the garden.
Have you or someone you love ever been in a car accident? If so, you know how overwhelming and scary it can be. At Advanced Physical Medicine in Gilbert, Arizona, we're not just a practice. We're a family committed to your healing journey, providing a personalized treatment plan tailored just for your needs. Your comfort and well-being matter to us. Get in touch with us today to schedule your consultation. Together, we'll help you find your way back to health and happiness.
It's game time. Scan the QR code anytime during the show to play trivia. Let the games begin. It's game time. Scan the QR code anytime during the show to play trivia. Let the games begin.
Chandler Unified School District is proud to be the premier district of choice.
As students, we consistently outperform our peers on state and national assessments,
and earn millions in awards and scholarship dollars.
Also, CSD offers personalized learning experiences to meet the needs for every student.
Hey cinephiles, now test your movie knowledge with Vulture's Cinematrix. How many films can you name that satisfy these two clues? Time's almost up. How many films did you name? Test your cinema knowledge even more by scanning to play more Cinematrix.